Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you how to create Pinterest pin using Canva really quickly. So let's get started. Head over to canva.com, log into your account, and next guys, click on this Create a Design button in the top right corner, and from the drop-down menu, select Pinterest pin. For example, with a resolution of 1000 by 1500 px, or you go with a custom size resolution here down below. So I will go with 1000 by 1500 for demonstration purposes. And on the next page, guys, start creating either from scratch using some of the content they feature in the Canva library, like fonts, elements, tags, images, etc., etc. Or you go with some of the customizable pre-made design templates by selecting design here from the left sidebar. Now you can go with different categories and niches like travel, for example, or blog or fitness, or you search for pins under specific keyword. Now for demonstration purposes, I will go with that pin here from the food or healthy food or diet niche. Click on it. Next, customize it according to your own imagination and taste. Maybe change the text, exchange some elements, the background image. And once you're content with your result, click on share here in the top right corner, and next select download from the drop-down menu, and again download to save your pin on your computer, for example as a PNG or a JPEG file, by clicking on download here below. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.